again, and welcome back to Real Talk Behind the Badge. I'm Tim, a military vet and retired police detective sergeant from Massachusetts. And in my career, I've been a patrolman, a street supervisor, a detective, and in charge of our narcotics squad. I've been shot at, my family's been threatened, and I've been sued and cleared. I've been injured too many times to count, and I've had to fight for my own life. I know the life of a cop. In Real Talk, we intend to evaluate everything at the end of this video to tell you exactly, as a retired police officer, we feel was illegal, police misconduct, mistakes, etc. We hope to show the public that good cops aren't afraid to call out the actions of cops that make mistakes or bad cops who need retraining, disciplined, or even fired. Now, this is a strange one. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time, but it has a lot to teach us. A man, Kapril, who is here from India and just married to a local nurse, is stopped for a traffic infraction and ends up okaying a search of his car, as he knows there's nothing illegal in the vehicle. Even though there is nothing illegal in the vehicle, he soon learns that giving consent was a bad idea. There's some things here that are illegal and never should have happened. Watch the video and we'll discuss what should and shouldn't have occurred. I've cut some of the video where there is nothing going on so as not to waste your time. So let's get going, and you can chime in at the end with your comments. All video is from the officers' body cams. We encourage everyone to leave a comment and hit the subscribe button for more police videos. Let's get going.
Go, man. I'm Officer Fresh out of Benton Police Department. Pulled you over because you got a license plate cover. You can't have those. So the actual cover that goes over the license plate, like the plastic piece, you can't have that. Anything that stops the reflection of light.
I'm so sorry, sir.
You're okay.
Okay.
Are you got your license, registration, insurance, all
Yes,
that?
sir, I do.
Okay. What are you doing down here in Benton, Arkansas, man?
I just got married here.
You just got married here?
To my girlfriend, yeah.
Okay. Where's your girlfriend live at?
It's in Benton.
Gotcha, man. You got your registration for the vehicle
Yes,
and all that stuff? Okay, yeah, if you want to grab that for me, man. You got insurance for the vehicle by chance?
Yes, sir. It's all together.
Alright, man. Just hang tight for a second, okay?
Yeah.
First name Kapril, spelling King, Adam, Paul, Ida, Lincoln, K-A-P-I-L. You got any friends or family around here, man?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's...
She's my wife. She's a nurse here.
Oh, she's a nurse
yeah,
here?
she'll be here in the next 6-7 minutes.
Oh, you're good, man. Where does she live at?
She lives in 610. We live together.
Oh, she lives over there off Alcoa?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So where were you headed to right now? Were you headed back home?
Yeah, I was just heading back to Little Caesar Pizza to have a pizza and get back to there.
Oh, you went to go get pizza real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where are you coming from then?
I'm coming from there. They told me that it will be going to take roughly around 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right, man. You got anything illegal in the vehicle, do you? No guns, drugs, bombs,
Nothing
hand
at all,
grenades,
sir.
nothing like that?
No.
Nothing?
Even my dad and uncle both are police, and so I am very much like, I have a very real love and affection towards this uniform.
All right, man. Would I have your consent to search the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right,
anything.
man. All right, well, just hang tight for a second, okay?
Hello?
Hey, this might be a dumb question, but if all he has is a Canada driver's license, is he good? Or does he need...
He's good for 90 days. Are you going to try to give him a ticket for it? Or
No, if anything, I'll do a warning, but I'm going to search his car, though. He came from one of those houses over here, so... And supposedly he was coming from Little Caesars to go back towards Alcoa. So it's just kind of weird where he was located. So I'm just going to search his car. I'm just going to give him a warning on it, but I wanted to run that through before I get this warning processed and hand it to him. So he was parked over there in front of 202 Conrad, and then he's got a license plate cover, so that's PC all day, but he said he was coming from Little Caesars, headed back to Alcoa. He gave me consent to search the vehicle.
So he's going to Little Caesars?
He said he was coming from Little Caesars. This is going to take 15 minutes, but he's back on his way to Alcoa. All right, man. Do you want to step out of the vehicle for me? Do you got a Pennsylvania driver's license? Did you ever get one in Pennsylvania by chance?
No, sir, I didn't live there for long. This is my 4th visit in US.
Okay. How long have you been in Benton, like in Arkansas?
Not more than 3 months. Like every time I have visit by road, never by plane. This is my 4th visit.
Hello, what's going on?
I'm his wife.
Okay.
Because he was bringing us pizza and we're like, what's taking you so long? So,
Gotcha.
Okay.
He gave him consent to search, but if you don't mind, just maybe park in and we'll be right with you.
Okay.
I've been pulled over 4 times in Pennsylvania, but they never mentioned about this plastic thing. Getting a citizenship is super easy than all over the world.
Yeah.
Yo.
Hey, another stupid question. Is liquid opium, is that a controlled substance?
Is that a controlled substance?
Yeah, liquid opium. I'm trying to find it on drugs.com or looking at the controlled substance part, but I can't find anything that says anything other than like derivatives of opium. He's got a liquid vial that has a label that says opium parentheses W. That was in the center console.
Opium is Schedule 2.
It's Schedule 2?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's what I need to know then. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
How about? All right, man. I'm gonna read you something, okay? All right, man. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney, to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be provided for you at government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights, I've explained them to you. Are you willing to answer any questions without an attorney present?
Can you repeat that?
You're okay.
Yeah. Can
All right. That's okay. We can come over here, man. I'll read to you again, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be provided for you at government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights, I've explained them to you. Are you willing to answer any questions without an attorney present? That's yes or no. Are you willing to answer any questions?
I don't want to answer any questions.
So no, you don't want to answer any questions?
No, but I didn't do anything wrong, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So no then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, man. Go and turn around, put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Why you arrested him?
I'll tell you in just a second, okay?
He didn't do anything wrong.
All right, man. So right now you're being placed under arrest for possession of controlled substance, Schedule 2, okay? Yes, sir.
Where's the control?
I'll tell you in a second, ma'am. All right.
Sir, what was the substance? Can you please?
So you got a vial of opium that was in your center console. Go and take a seat.
I never have an opium, sir, in my life.
Okay. Give me a second, ma'am, and I'll explain what's going on, okay? I need you to take a deep breath, okay? Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Okay.
Vicky.
The reason
Oh, no.
your husband's being placed under arrest is because he had opium.
What is that?
Opium. It's a Schedule 2 controlled substance, okay?
Okay. I don't
So-
even know what that is. He doesn't.
It's a drug. So he
Okay.
had that in his center console.
Okay.
So right now he's being placed under arrest. Okay.
Okay.
He's going to be taken down to Sling County Jail. He'll be processed through.
He's in the car. Okay, then what's
Okay.
gonna happen? Then what's gonna happen?
So then he's going to get a charge for that. So more than likely, with it being a Saturday, he's got to wait till Monday to see a judge.
He's gonna stay in jail until Sunday.
Until Monday. Until
Okay.
Monday, ma'am.
Okay.
So until he can see a judge, okay?
Okay, hold on 1 second, please.
You need to take a deep breath, though, okay?
1 second, please.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second, please. I'm confused on why he's going to jail. I want to see this, please,
He's got
sir.
to. Okay.
I want to see this, please.
Look, you gotta take some deep breaths.
Do you need to call an ambulance or anything?
No, I just want to
Okay.
talk to him, please.
Okay.
Oh, he doesn't even know what's going on either.
So he's got opium. He's got a vial of opium, liquid opium, that was in the center console.
Can I please talk to him? He has a cell phone on him. Can I get his cell phone? His family's gonna be worried sick about him.
Yes.
Can I please get his cell phone?
But before we go over there, I need you to bring it down a level, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We're not going to go over there with us being super hyped up
Okay.
emotionally, okay?
Okay.
So if we go over there, are you going to be able to stay calm for me?
Yes.
Okay. Now here's what I'm going to do as well for you guys, okay? So typically we would tow a vehicle, but since you guys are married, I'm going to see if he's okay with you taking it, okay? And then we'll leave it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
But I need you to bring it down just a level for me, okay? Before we go over there. Okay? Alright, so your vehicle right here, is she good to take your vehicle?
Yes, sir. I can
Okay.
do it.
Okay, the keys in your pocket right now?
I would like you to show him what you found in the car, please. I've never seen this in my life. This. Have you ever seen this?
This is a scent.
It has written on here opium.
Opium scent. Open challenge.
Can you
Nobody
test
can
it?
prove
Can you test
I'm going
it?
to send it off to the drug lab.
You don't have anything to test it right now?
I'm
anything
okay.
to test it right
I
now.
believe in my Lord. Sure, don't worry.
So,
about that.
Can you?
unfortunately, I don't. Ma'am,
Calm down.
Okay.
I believe in my
Now
Lord.
you're gonna stay in jail till Monday. What do you mean, calm down? I'm gonna tell your mother.
It's just a perfume. It's a perfume for smoking cigarette.
I swear to me,
Simple.
Kapril.
Yeah, that's why I'm happy.
Where did you get this from?
From Rizwan store.
You swear to me. I'm calling
swear.
Rizwan. Where's your cell phone? Can I take
I
it with
swear
me?
on my mom and dad, I'm gonna eat their flesh if I do anything wrong in my life.
Okay. Can I
Don't worry
take?
about that.
you
Can
want her
I
to have
take
your phone or
jewelry and
anything?
stuff?
Yes, she can take anything if she wants.
Okay.
What about your jewelry and stuff? They're gonna take you to the jail. You have to see the
Don't
judge.
worry. Don't worry, I'm okay now.
Okay. Will you tell him when he'll see the judge and stuff?
That's a perfume, nothing else.
Huh?
Chill out.
Are your keys in your other pocket?
Yes, sir, this
Oh,
is.
man.
That's a other.
It's going to be tested. If
Okay.
it
That's
tests, I
Arabic
got to log it in. If
Okay.
it comes tested
Okay.
and it tests negative,
How long will the
char-
test take to come back?
it depends on the drug lab. I can't tell you yes or no if it's going to take a long time or
Okay.
not. So, but it'll go to
Okay.
court. If it tests negative, the charge will be dropped.
Okay.
Okay?
It's
Okay.
an Arabic perfume. Don't
Okay.
worry. Chill out.
Give it an hour or two. You can call down the jail. They'll be able to
Okay.
give you more information from there.
Okay.
Like I said, he's going to see a judge on Monday.
Okay.
And they'll take it from there, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I really
ma'am.
appreciate it.
Huh?
Did he tell you why he had opium?
No, he refused because I asked him if he'd be willing to answer any questions. He said no. So.
Oh, okay.
And then when the wife came over, he's like, "Oh, it's just a perfume."
He asked him if he wanted to talk about it. He said no. And
Yep.
Somehow he found out it was opium.
There's a label on it.
It
there's
says
a,
opium.
There's a label that says opium parentheses W. So, and he's telling the wife that it's perfume.
Kind of see.
Yeah.
But he wouldn't talk to you about it at all.
And I found him over there off of Conrad, and he was saying that he was coming from Little Caesars going to Alcoa.
Is that just a screw top? There's no atomizer on the top of it like a perfume bottle would have?
You got gloves?
I mean, I have another glove, but I'm trying not to touch it too much. I didn't open it. Is that what you wanted me to do? Is open it?
Well, if you open it, it's just an open top, and it's not a perfume. I mean, well, most likely not a perfume bottle. You know what I mean? Just one more thing. I'm not saying expose yourself. Hello.
I mean, the fact that's labeled in this, though, too, still.
Yeah. What's in a roller thing? I don't know. But he doesn't want to talk to you about it at all.
No, and it's still labeled that way, too.
Well, yeah, it might be a perfume called opium. Think about what a defense attorney would ask you. But the fact that he doesn't want to talk to you about it and just tell you that it's perfume is a different story.
Yeah. And I told her, too, because she was...
He said something about cigarettes, though, with that.
Yeah. I
So
don't
probably
know.
rolling it onto his cigarettes and smoking it.
Something
Opium
like
is
that.
typically smoked. That's why it's weird for it to see it in liquid form.
Now let's break it down and analyze the different parts of this video that were illegal, unjustified, and just plain stupid policing. Although the officers were polite the whole time, and I give them credit for that, their lack of training caused a lot of problems and potentially a lot of money from a lawsuit. It would have been a lot better if they had spent that money on training instead of lawsuit payouts. One thing I can fault Officer Freshour for is not investigating before arresting. If he had shown the vial he found to Kapril first, he would have been told it was a perfume, and everything may have come out differently. As an ex-OIC of a narcotics squad, I've had extensive work with DEA. I can tell you things would have been quite different if this was a narcotics squad that made this traffic stop, as they know for certain that narcotics usually don't come labeled as opium, heroin, cocaine, etc. That's a joke. If it was tested with a street test kit and it came out negative, there would be no probable cause for an arrest. And here, they didn't even test it. Did they have probable cause? I doubt it. The sergeant at the scene doesn't seem to give a shit one way or another, even after knowing the vial is probably perfume. What was the big giveaway? It's a roll-on. And then the officer says he may use it to roll on his cigarettes. What a joke. Did they not have any narcotics officers they could call to the scene? Local, county, state? I know there are perfumes that smell like marijuana, and a lot of people also use that. To begin with, every police department should have a street drug test kit. There is no excuse not to have them. They are fast and reliable for suspected drugs. If every time an officer comes across some white powder, they arrest a person and put them in jail until court, especially when it takes about 6 months to get the test results back, it would be a travesty of justice. This is a fault of the police department. If an officer is supposed to arrest for drugs, they should have some training on what to look for, not act as if everything is a drug, arrest, and then ask questions later. They should have test kits, period. After they were told it was a perfume and confirmed it had a roll-on adapter, Kapril should have been released from custody and had the vial tested later. Instead, he spent 3 days in jail until he was allowed to post bail, and then, what you didn't hear, he was arrested by ICE after posting bail to be deported, and then spent another several weeks in jail until he was released because the department notified ICE of the arrest and his immigration status. This is not against ICE. They did not have the information the department had and was only doing what they were supposed to do at the time. Was there anything done illegal? Yes. The officer opened the sealed mail in the car, which required a separate warrant. So there you have it. Situations like this make the public worry about police officers unnecessarily. Training is the answer for most of these videos, and this one is no different. Let me know what you think. One of my intentions is for police officers to learn from the mistakes and bad decisions made and discussed here. If departments would like to use these videos for training, please let me know. Please help us out and hit subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. If you are in law enforcement, active or retired, let me know also. If you have a video you would like us to analyze, please send it to the email below. For more information and videos, go to realtalkbehindthebadge.com. You can view all our podcasts on YouTube or Facebook at Real Talk Behind the Badge as we make them. If you hit subscribe, you'll be notified of each podcast. Please also hit the like button. Thanks to all our brothers and sisters behind the badge. This is Real Talk. Signing off until next time.